Hello everyone, I'm a huge fan of Deya. She's a freelancer and a YouTuber, and I absolutely love how she edits her videos. She's one of my inspirations. One is Ali Abdul, number two is Deya. As you can see, the style of my videos are inspired by Deya and Ali Abdul. So if you are a fan of these two people and you also want to create videos in the same style as Deya or Ali, you totally can. And here's how. I don't have a video editor, and video editing doesn't take much time in my full video creation workflow. And one tool that I'm really proud of, and I've been using it for more than a year already, is a tool called Tella. I've been mentioning Tella in all my videos, and I've been using it since May last year, and honestly, I've never looked back. So if you've been watching Deya's videos, she mentioned that she first creates the presentation and then record the video and then hand it over to her video editor. Her video editor is Maya. Maya will play around it and edit the video through Adobe Premiere Pro. So her style is all about presentation type videos where her face moves around in different shapes on screen. Okay, so here's the thing. You don't need an editor to get that look. With the tool I'm using, which is Tella, you can skip the complicated stuff like masking effects and all the whatever complicated stuff. So it's super beginner friendly and packed with AI features. All right, so this is how you're gonna do it. So as you can see, let's play one of Deya's videos like this. Hear it.
A lot of popular business advice actually sucks. Today I'm ranking the worst business advice out there for beginners, ranging from mildly problematic to this will actually
Go here.
for building a passive income business later, if that is what you want to do. So we're putting passive income as king into the double red flag category because I have seen firsthand friends fall into this issue where they believe that passive income business is truly differentiated, specific, and deeply addressed freelancing full time. So I didn't have a lot of time. I didn't have a lot of energy.
So that's Deya's style, right? And this is my YouTube channel. And I'm gonna show you how I create my videos. So here, for example. All right, so now I'm gonna show you how my videos look like. All right, so here it is.
The faster you can increase your rates and earn more. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set your freelancing rates. Okay, so step one is determine your income goal. For example,
as you can see, there are smooth transitions happening. So you don't need to click a lot of buttons in order for you to create that effect. So with Tella, it's just one click of a button.
Figure out how much you want to earn per month. Like, for example, you want to earn $1,000 to achieve $1,000.
Okay, so here, this part, that is also some kind of a...
So this is just for beginners. If you want to make freelancing as your side hustle and you want to earn an extra $1,000 per month, then this is how you compute. All right, next step is to calculate your hourly rate. So once you
all right, so as you can see, there are a lot of transitions happening, and that's not what you think, like, that's not much work with Tella. I mean, you don't need to press a lot of buttons in order for you to create that effect. So here's how I'm going to show you. So I'm going to show you how you can do it with Tella. All right, you can create an account for free for 7 days, and if you want to use it, so if you're a course creator, a marketer, a YouTuber, or someone who just loves creating videos, these presentation videos, demo videos, tutorial videos, whatever, or just someone who loves videos, you can use my link to get 30% off. All right, so here's how. So once you've created an account with Tella for free, here's how you can do it. So for example, you have here this video, you edit that, and then go to layout.
One of the most questions freelancer ask.
All right, so if you want to like change the layout from that, you can just this one, that one, or this one, or this one, this one, this one, or this one. And then you want gonna change again, just add a layout and then click this part here, that part, or like that. So there are a lot of templates that you can choose from. And that's how easy it is. So you just choose from the available templates and you can just lay around your video, make it super dynamic and engaging. And then once you're happy, you can just download it and export it in 4K resolution. And it's super fast. And it makes video editing effortless. So why not try it? Because I've grown my channel from 1,000 subscribers to 8,000 subscribers using Tella. So this is my main video creation tool. Recording plus editing in one. So no sweat. So just try it and create videos like Deya or Ali Abdal. So if you like this video, subscribe to my newsletter, Novice Notes. It's in the description section. So you can have tips and we can be friends. So you can get weekly tips straight to your inbox. And don't forget to use my link to get 30% off. Okay? And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like this content. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next one.